Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, bringing all the motivation and inspiration to help try and kickstart your day. And here is your quote from Pablo Picasso. The meaning of life is to find your gift. The purpose of life is to give it away. The meaning of life is always a great question. Why are we here? Now the answer could be simple as we all have something, a gift. We all have some sort of talent, skill, something special about ourselves. The purpose is to then use this newfound gift to try and help as many people with it as possible. Being able to change someone's life, mood, or even their world is one of the most rewarding things that anyone can ever do. And it's your time to change someone's life with your gift.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.